friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to set app driver mode in our oppo phone. Friends, you want to set guys your app driver mode, and guys you want to set your app driver mode. So guys, how can you set, and guys how can you use guys your app driver mode? And guys, you have got this guys swipe prolong. As you can see guys, your old icon do not come when you swipe. As you can see this setting, so you want to set your app driver mode. So guys, how can you set? In this video I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys, phone setting. To set your app driver mode, then guys scroll it. As you can see home screen mode setting, guys tap here. Home screen mode setting is again tap here. Then guys you can see your driver mode, so guys tap here and apply, and guys switch. Then guys your app driver mode will set, and guys you can see guys you can swipe your phone, and as you can see your all app list. So I hope friends you have understood how to. Sorry friend, I paused the video because of sound. So I hope friends have understood how to set app driver mode in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.